little dog.
He's really cute, isn't he? Is he going woof woof?
Oh, you don't know. That's a little doggy.
Yeah, it's a woof woof, isn't he? Oh. You told Ariana, didn't you? Yes, you did. Look at this one.
Oh.
That one has a ribbon in his hair. Yeah. Yeah. Is that a woof woof, doggy? You say woof woof.
Oh, yeah, it has a bow in its tail.
There you go.
What's in that big soul?
You know what? Let's see if we can find a dog like Amber. Yeah. Amber is part Rhodesian, which I can't spell. A Rhodesian dog. It's going to say, did you mean something else? Because we know you can't spell. You have to say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now look, that dog kind of does look like Amber, doesn't it? See the way it's colored? Yeah.
Yeah,
Amber has woof woof.
Amber has a white. Amber has white on her too.
That's right.
She has white paws.
Mm-hmm.
And
look here, Rhodesian Ridgeback breed, loyal and intelligent lion hunters. They were dogs who used to hunt lions. That'd be scary, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be scary. Okay, woof woof, that's your part. Woof woof.
Woof woof.